welcome to Java Forum. In this video we are going to see Linux basic commands on Kali Linux 2020 operating system. So this video will be useful for the beginners who like to learn Linux commands on the Kali Linux, and for penetration testers, ethical hackers, and beginners in shell script coding. So this will be useful for them. And also I have provided explanation to each and every command as a subtitle. So in subtitle I have provided explanation to each and every command. Please watch out this video fully so that you can gain thorough knowledge in basic commands. So all the basic commands I have covered. So remaining commands I will be covering in forthcoming videos. So this video covers all the basic commands in Kali Linux operating system. So here you can see that this is the Kali Linux 2020 desktop, which is running on VirtualBox 6.1. So this is the Kali Linux virtual machine. It's not a bare metal OS. So now let me open a terminal. So this is the look of terminal. Let me zoom in so that you can view in big font. So okay, now basically Kali Linux supports up to 6 parallel users. So you can open 6 parallel terminal with the different users. So now I am logging as a user called Ramanathan, which I am highlighting now. So this is the host name. Now I am going to log in as 2 different users which are already available in this machine. So this is to show you how to work with multiple terminal sessions. So press the Alt Control F1 button. Alt Control F1 button. You can see that terminal 1 is running. So I have logged in as a user called Java Forum. So again you press Alt Control F2. So Alt Control F2, you can see that another user called Help Desk. I have logged in as a user called Help Desk. So 2 users, Java Forum and Help Desk, are connected in terminal 1 and terminal 2 respectively. Now let me return to the Kali Linux desktop. Press the button Alt Control F7. So this will return to the desktop. So here you can see all the details, whoever connected to this mission. So this is how we have to work with multiple terminal sessions in Kali Linux. So now let us start the basic Linux commands one by one. So our first command will be who am I. So who am I, that will the first command. So who am I will give you the effective username of the current user. It will give you the effective username of the current user when invoked. So Ramanathan is the effective user now, which means your login user will be displayed in whoami command. So I can run here also whoami. So you can see that it will print the login username. Okay, let me return to the desktop once again. So next command we are going to see who command. So who command will print the user list of users who are connected to this Kali Linux machine. So you can see that 3 users are available. So Java Forum, Helpdesk, and Ramanathan. So 3 users are connected to this machine. So who command gives you the list of users who are currently logged in to the computer. Now next command will be pwd. So pwd command will give you the current working directory. So whenever a user log into the terminal, they will be landed to the directory called /home/username. So this directory is created during the user creation. Some users will not have home directory. Okay, some users will not have home directory. So now let me show. So let me come to this terminal pwd. So here you can see that /home/java-frm is the current working directory. So generally when you log in to the terminal, you will be landed to the /home/your username.